In this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit header of your website using Squarespace. Header is a very important element of a website as it is displayed on the top of your website. So let's start editing it. First, you need to click on edit, and then when you move your cursor to the top of your website, you can see edit site header section. Click on it, and here you will see your header settings. You can add a logo to your header. I'm gonna choose my desired header from my folder. It will take some time to upload. So you can see on the left that the header has been uploaded. I can change its height as well. You can see in the preview that it's changing. We can change its elements, like I can add an action button. I can name it as well. I'm gonna name it shop now. In the preview you can see it's happening live. I can add a cart button if you have an e-commerce website. You can change its style as well. You can add a border if you want it to be visible. So this is how you can change your header settings. I hope you found this video useful. If you found it useful, then please like our video and subscribe to our channel for more updates.